Highland Lake Inn Resort is a treasured destination for weddings, company retreats, and group events. Our expansive lakeside property features flexible venues, a variety of accommodations, a full-service restaurant, and an abundance of on-site amenities. Whether you're planning a comprehensive event or just looking to rent a venue for the day, Highland Lake Inn Resort offers a unique character and desirable setting you won't find anywhere else. The Grand Ole Hall is our largest indoor venue and can accommodate groups of up to 200 people. The main room can be arranged and subdivided in a variety of configurations to suit your needs. From ballroom to classroom style, the possibilities are abundant. There is a refreshment area offering an ideal place for snack breaks, catered meals, and bar service. The Grand Ole Hall's large outdoor deck features lake views and is ideal for cocktail hours, breakout sessions, or recreational time. The Kudzu Cottage is a quaint venue that is ideal for smaller gatherings. It offers a rustic charm with hardwood floors, stone fireplace, and large windows. From yoga classes to luncheons, the Kudzu offers versatility to groups of 35 or less. Seasons at Highland Lake, our on-site restaurant, features 2 private meeting rooms that can be combined to accommodate up to 80 guests. The private dining room offers a charming farmhouse ambiance with its rustic wood beams and large stone fireplace. The green room is flooded in natural light and has access to a peaceful outdoor patio. The lodge porch is a charming meeting space featuring big timber architecture, floor-to-ceiling windows, and large stone fireplace. It can accommodate up to 80 guests depending on configuration and is a popular choice for groups that have reserved the lodge for exclusive use during their time here. To round things out, the resort is surrounded by 26 acres of natural beauty, making the outdoors one of our most popular meeting spaces. From the covered pavilion to the grassy lakeside knoll, there are several serene spots your group can gather. When it comes to accommodations, our historic lodge tops the list for groups. This often serves as home base, as the entire lodge can be reserved for exclusive use. This includes a classic lounge with river rock fireplace, as well as a recreation room with billiards, table tennis, and television. The lodge features 20 individual rooms that are each uniquely designed and furnished. Available in several configurations, each room has wood floors and ceilings, old world decor, private desks, and all the amenities to ensure your comfort. The Woodward House offers a more upscale experience and has common areas that also can be reserved for exclusive use. This includes a parlor with a full kitchen, dining area, reading nooks, and a covered outdoor porch. The spacious rooms are available in several configurations that can include fireplaces, porches, or premium suites. The historic poolside cottages offer multi-bedroom accommodations that feature full kitchens and spacious living areas. There are a total of 6 cottages that are adjacent to the resort's pool area. Each is configured slightly differently and are varied in size from 2 to 4 bedrooms. Like our cottages, the Primrose Suite is a standalone accommodation that is a popular choice for newlyweds. Its cozy charm features plenty of living space, a 2-way fireplace, large soaking tub, and peaceful deck overlooking the property. Lastly, our cabin rooms are our smallest accommodations. and offer a cozy setting without sacrificing the amenities and comforts you expect. There are a total of 5 cabins, and each features a room in both large and small configurations. While the layouts vary slightly, every room has an authentic porch swing that is always a guest favorite. While venues and accommodations are key to a great gathering, some of your group's most memorable experiences will happen between the two. Highland Lake Inn Resort offers groups and weddings an array of amenities and activities, so you'll never have to leave the property. On-site amenities include kayaks, paddle boats, tennis courts, and large open fields for games. Many groups enjoy customized activities like team competitions or outdoor challenges. After a great day, your group will love strolling around the property, relaxing in a hammock, sitting around the fire, or enjoying a gorgeous sunset over the lake. If you take advantage of our overnight accommodations, groups love beginning each day with our complimentary Southern breakfast buffet. The team at Seasons Restaurant can also cater your meals and snacks to ensure that every aspect of your dining experience is delicious and memorable. In addition, there are a variety of other culinary experiences that can be crafted to further enhance your time. Wine tastings and cooking demonstrations are always the most popular options. For over a century, Highland Lake Inn Resort has been a treasured place for people to gather. Our mountain retreat provides a beautiful setting to reconnect and embrace time together. You'll find the versatility you expect and an experience you'll never forget. Our team is dedicated to making your next event a success, and it would be a pleasure to host your group.